Hey there! Welcome back to my channel, How to Make Money Top 10 Videos. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that I know a lot of you are interested in, monetizing your Instagram account. Instagram has become one of the most popular social media platforms, and it's not just for sharing photos with your friends and family. With the right strategy, you can turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. So, let's dive in. Number 10. Build a strong following. The first and most important step to monetizing your Instagram account is to build a strong following. The larger your audience, the more potential customers you have. The best way to do this is to post high-quality content consistently and engage with your audience. Make sure to post content that aligns with your niche, as this will attract like-minded followers who are more likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Use hashtags and location tags to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, DMs, and reposting user-generated content. This will help build a relationship with your audience, which will make them more likely to trust and support your brand. Finally, consider running Instagram ads to reach new audiences and promote your account. The more followers you have, the more potential customers you have, which is key to monetizing your Instagram account. Number 9. Create quality content consistently. The success of your Instagram account ultimately depends on the quality of content you produce. Your followers are looking for engaging, visually appealing content that captures their attention and adds value to their lives. Consistency is key in keeping your followers engaged and building a loyal audience. Make sure to invest time and effort into creating high-quality posts. This includes using quality images or videos, creating visually pleasing graphics, and writing compelling captions. You should also aim to post regularly to keep your followers interested and engaged. It's important to note that quality is more important than quantity. Posting too frequently can overwhelm your followers and dilute the value of your content. Instead, focus on creating fewer but higher quality posts that showcase your brand and provide value to your audience. By consistently delivering high-quality content, you can attract new followers, retain existing ones, and increase your chances of monetizing your Instagram account in the future. Number 8. Partner with brands for sponsored content. One of the most common ways to monetize your Instagram account is by partnering with brands for sponsored content. This involves collaborating with companies and promoting their products or services on your Instagram page in exchange for payment or other benefits. To attract brand partnerships, it's important to establish a strong online presence and build a sizable following. Brands typically look for influencers with a large and engaged audience that aligns with their target market. When it comes to choosing brands to partner with, it's important to consider your niche and your audience's interests. You should only promote products or services that are relevant and authentic to your brand and your followers. Number 7. Partner with brands and sponsors. Partnering with brands and sponsors is another great way to monetize your Instagram account. Many companies are looking for influencers to promote their product or services on social media, and they are willing to pay for it. This is where you can leverage your large following and high engagement rate to strike a deal with brands that align with your niche. To start, research brands that align with your interests and niche. Reach out to them with a professional email or DM and offer to promote their product or services to your followers. Negotiate payment or compensation for your services, and be sure to disclose any sponsored content to your followers in accordance with FTC guidelines. It's important to only partner with brands and products that you truly believe in and that align with your values and audience. Your followers trust your opinions and recommendations, so it's important to maintain authenticity and transparency in all sponsored content. Partnering with brands and sponsors not only provides a source of income, but it can also open up opportunities for collaborations and partnerships in the future. So, start reaching out to brands and showcase your unique value proposition to grow your Instagram account and revenue. Number 6. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are a great way to monetize your Instagram account. Many brands and businesses are willing to pay influencers to promote their product or services to their followers. If you have a substantial following and good engagement rates, you can reach out to brands or wait for them to approach you for sponsored posts. Make sure to disclose sponsored posts by adding hashtag @ or hashtag sponsored to your captions. Also, ensure that the sponsored products align with your brand and don't compromise your values or authenticity. Number 5. Collaborate with brands and sponsors. Once you have established a strong following on Instagram, you can start collaborating with brands and sponsors to earn money. Brands are always looking for influencers who can promote their products to their followers. You can reach out to brands in your niche or wait for them to approach you. Before accepting any collaboration offer, make sure the brand aligns with your values and your audience's interests. Additionally, make sure you disclose sponsored content to your followers as per FTC guidelines. Sponsored content can come in the form of sponsored posts, stories, or even long-term partnerships with brands. Collaborating with brands can not only help you earn money but also help you grow your audience and establish yourself as an influencer in your niche. Number 4. Sell your own products or services. If you have a business or offer any type of service, you can use Instagram to promote and sell your products. This is a great way to monetize your account, especially if you already have a loyal following. To get started, you can create posts or stories that showcase your product or services and use relevant hashtags to attract potential customers. You can also use Instagram's shoppable posts feature, which allows users to purchase directly from your posts. This feature is available to accounts that meet certain criteria, such as being located in a supported market and having a business account. Another way to sell your products or services is to use Instagram to drive traffic to your website or online store. You can do this by including a link to your website or store in your bio, and by including a call to action in your posts or stories. Overall, using Instagram to sell your own products or services can be a lucrative way to monetize your account, especially if you already have a strong brand or following. Number 3. Promote your products on Instagram. Once you have built a strong following on Instagram, you can start promoting your products on your page. Instagram allows you to add clickable links to your posts and stories, so you can easily drive traffic to your website or online store. You can also use Instagram's shopping feature to create a catalog of your products and tag them in your posts. This makes it easier for your followers to view and purchase your products directly on the platform. To effectively promote your products on Instagram, you should use high-quality images and videos that showcase your products in the best possible way. You can also create sponsored posts and collaborate with influencers to reach a larger audience. Remember to keep your branding consistent and use relevant hashtags to reach your target audience. Number 2. Use sponsored posts. Another way to monetize your Instagram account is by using sponsored posts. Brands are willing to pay influencers with a large following to promote their products. This can be a win-win situation for both the influencer and the brand. To get sponsored posts, you can either wait for brands to approach you or reach out to them yourself. Make sure you have a clear niche and target audience, and that the brands you reach out to are relevant to your niche. When creating sponsored posts, make sure you disclose the fact that it is a sponsored post. This is required by law and also helps build trust with your audience. Remember to only promote products that you believe in and are relevant to your audience. You don't want to lose your followers' trust by promoting products that are not relevant or useful to them. Sponsored posts can be a lucrative way to monetize your Instagram account, but make sure to use them ethically and responsibly. Number 1. Collaborate with brands. As your Instagram account grows, you can start collaborating with brands to promote their products and services. Many brands are willing to pay Instagram influencers for sponsored posts, product reviews, and giveaways. To attract brand partnerships, make sure to create high-quality content that aligns with the brand's values and target audience. You can also reach out to brands yourself or join influencer marketing platforms that connect you with brands. Before accepting any brand deals, be sure to check that the brand is a good fit for your personal brand and that the partnership aligns with Instagram's sponsored content policies. Collaborating with brands can be a great way to monetize your Instagram account, while also providing value to your audience by introducing them to new products and services that you genuinely believe in. Remember, building a successful Instagram account takes time, effort, and dedication. Keep creating high-quality content, engaging with your followers, and exploring different monetization strategies to turn your passion for Instagram into a profitable business. That's it for today's video on monetizing your Instagram account. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Remember, building a successful Instagram account takes time, effort, and dedication, but it is definitely possible to turn your passion into a profitable venture. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on social media marketing and monetization. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.